Heroic age of spaceflight. NASA, the 25th year. It was called the National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics, a new independent agency created by President Woodrow Wilson in 1915. Its job, make the United States a world leader in the field of aeronautics. In less than 3 decades, these early pioneers in aviation and those who followed would be called upon to think through problems a million miles away and do it with boldness and vision. By the mid-1950s, NACA had modern wind tunnels and was moving into the area of rocket and satellite research. Then on October 7, 1957, the U.S. and the rest of the world were greeted by the sounds of Sputnik 1. The Soviet Union had placed the first artificial satellite into orbit. Two days before Christmas in 1968, astronauts Borman, Lovell, and Anders became the first humans to pass out of Earth's gravitational control and into that of another body in the solar system, the Moon. The hardware to travel to the Moon had worked well, and landing sites looked good. Our Earth seemed small and fragile, hanging in the vastness of space. This view of ourselves from lunar distance would change the way we think about Earth for all time. It raised profound questions, especially those associated with the Earth's finiteness and limited resources. The next 2 flights, Apollos 9 and 10, would continue dress rehearsals for the first lunar landing. All systems were indeed ready. Astronauts Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin, and Michael Collins would make the historic journey. Next stop, Tranquility Base.
1, 0, all engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11. Tower cleared.
We got a roll program. Neil Armstrong reporting the roll and pitch program, which puts Apollo 11 on a proper heading.
Houston, Apollo 11 is calling you on the high gain. How do you read, over?
Roger, loud and clear on the high gain.
Eagle, you're looking great. Coming up 9 minutes.
We're now in the approach phase.
Space Shuttle 5, the first operational flight. 2 commercial communications satellites were hauled into orbit. One for satellite business systems and one for Telsat of Canada. Their deployment was a complete success.
Have you got it? You don't have it, obviously.
I got it.
Okay.
Space Shuttle 6 was the second operational mission and Flight 1 for Challenger, this country's newest spacecraft.